Today we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First we need a tub and a lid. Now let's put the letter sticker on the lid. We are going to find the letter N. This is an uppercase N and this is a lowercase n. Now let's put a sticker on the tub. Oh, this is the letter N, the uppercase N and the lowercase n. Now we're going to put another sticker on the bottom of the lid. And N has an uppercase N and a lowercase n. There we go. Now let's find the things that go in the tub. First, we need to find the uppercase N. And now the lowercase n. Now we will find a nest. That's what a bird makes to lay its eggs in, a nest. Now let's find a necklace. You can wear a necklace around your neck. Next is a net. You can use a net to catch things. Newspaper. Newspaper has all the news you want to know about, and you can read it. Next is a notebook. And next is a nose. Amazing. Now let's put our things in the tub. Ready? Let's find the uppercase N. And now the lowercase n. The nest. The necklace. A net. A newspaper. A notebook. And a nose. Great job. Let's put the lid on it. This was the letter N. After N is the letter O. See you next time.